this question, they are talking about the two stages of the team from this part. So when the project manager has joined the team, during the initial meetings, he realized that there are many differing opinions about how to solve technical issues, and team did not respect each other's ideas, and the environments are very counterproductive. So by the time he joined the team, he saw this behavior. This first part is talking about storming. Storming is like everything negative about team traits. As a team, their involvement with each other, their contribution to each other, their support to each other is missing. That's storming. Right? Rather, they are just counterproductive. They are into disputes and conflicts with each other, and they are less towards productivity and more towards like bureaucracy and related stuff. So this is exactly what what was the stage when project manager joined the project. Now there is a transition word. Now from that stage, now the team has evolved to communicate more effectively, and they have come up with their own ways of working and procedures and processes. And as a team, they are now working together, or they are more productive. So they have transitioned from one stage to another. And I told you that in the exam, if you are seeing two stages of team development, and even if you understand like one of them, if not both, you have that understanding that if they were previously in storming, so now they should be in norm. From storming, they must have transitioned to norming stage, or they have become more normalized as a team with some action steps and with some procedures and SOPs. So the team is now in norming this. The team is definitely not in forming stage. It's not for there. There is no mention of forming. There's no mention of team being introduced for the first time, or team is meeting the first time, or they are getting to know each other the first time. That is what forming is. So it's not forming. It's not performing because there is no such mention of team is working at its maximum peak, or they are working as a unit, or they are like very much well gelled with each other. Nothing like that. Right? They have stabilized, but not to the fullest peak. Performing means like 100% well gelled, which is not the case over here.